So this is about to closed loop speed control of using current source inverter, right? Okay, omega m star minus omega m is a positive, and then the speed error is positive, and beta LC is positive. Okay, and then the beta LC, that's called lead commutation angle, is positive, means it is H2 motoring operation. Okay, and according to that, the speed error, speed error omega m is also processed through a speed controller or a current limiter, and then the ID star minus ID is maximum and fed to the current controller, and firing circuit according to this difference current, and its source side converter firing angle changes. So that means motoring operations. If the omega m star is minus, omega m is less, that means actual speed is more than that of the reference speed, then speed error has become negative, and if this speed error is negative, means the sign of the beta LC set to regenerative braking mode. See, beta LC regenerative braking mode. Okay, and it's a negative speed error because of this process through a speed controller and a current limiter, and this difference between is very less, and then it reduces the reference current and then actual DC current. Then difference is less, and then firing angle will control the signals to the source side converter according to this. Okay, and then this is operating as a braking mode. Once is the omega m star is equal to omega m, and then speed approximately equal to 0. According to that, speed error sends the signals to the load side converter and the source side converter, and is operating at a required speed. So this, and also if omega m star is greater than omega m star is less than that omega m, that actual speed is more than that of the omega m star. So negative speed error. So in this range, regenerative braking applications. Okay. So this is about closed loop speed control of using current source motor. Is having some advantages and disadvantages. So advantages are high efficiency, 4-quadrant operation with regenerative braking, high power rating up to 100 megawatts, available up to 100 megawatts. High efficiency, this method is high efficiency. Okay, because of high quality sinusoidal input voltage fed to the synchronous motor, the current harmonics are reducing and pulsating loss also decreasing. Am I right? So because of heating effect is very less, that's why the high efficiency, 4-quadrant operation with regenerative braking is operations. It's very easy, closed loop speed control of synchronous motor. Okay, and is a high power rating up to 100 megawatts, and ability to run at high speeds, approximately 6,000 RPM, are some important advantages of this type. These are some important advantages. Regenerative braking, 4-quadrant regenerative braking, 4-quadrant regenerative braking application, high power rating, high efficiency, and as high speeds up to 6,000 RPM, and a power rating up to 100 megawatts. This is about advantages regarding this synchronous motor by using cycloconverter. And then applications, wound field synchronous motors are used in large power drives. Wound field synchronous motors are used for large power drives. Permanent motor synchronous motors are used in medium power drives. Wound field synchronous motors are used in large power drives, and the permanent motor synchronous motors are used in medium power drives. I'm already explained these applications and I'm starting. Okay, some prominent applications are high speed, high power drives for compressors. Okay, for high speed and high power drives for compressors, blowers, fans, pumps, conveyors, steel rolling mills, main line traction. Okay, and aircraft test facilities. So these are the different type of applications of synchronous motor fed from cycloconverter. Okay.